In this video, I'm going to show you how to join as you go using the flower scarf pattern. In the pattern, I'm doing my 5th flower and I've reached the 3rd round, and the instructions tell you to join on the 3rd round to the flowers. And here I need to join the flower to 2 others already on the scarf. So I'm going to join it to the green and the yellow. The instructions tell you to do a double crochet, a half treble, and 3 trebles before you do the join. 1, 2, 3. And it then instructs you to slip stitch. So taking the green, we're going to slip stitch through the 3rd treble in the petal. So the 3rd treble is this one. So if I slip through, the hook's gone through, as you can see there. I then get the yarn, bring it through as a slip stitch. I then continue with 2 more trebles, a half treble, and a double crochet. I then slip stitch into the 2nd of the 3 trebles, and I then have to join the next petal to the yellow flower. So I'm going to do it slightly differently. So once again, double crochet, half treble, 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3. Now instead of going through the 3rd treble on this flower, I'm going to go into. So if again I look for the 3rd treble, it's here. I'm going to go into it rather than through it. So if I take it in, I can put the yarn either side. So I will have it that side. Okay, so I'm just going to do a slip stitch, same as before. And then we carry on with this petal. 2 trebles, half treble, and a crochet. You'd carry on finishing the flower, but I just want to show you what this looks like. So the difference is, with this one we went through, so as you can see it's not bled into that flower, whereas this one I went into it, so it has bled. So you've got a different sort of join, just slightly different. And you can really use whichever join you prefer, going through or going into. And here I've used a variety, but I will say that I do prefer the into. And you can see where I've done that. Here is a through, there's a through one there. But it's entirely up to you. And you can use this for the mille-fiori or any other join as you go. It's simply the same slip stitch, that's all you would use.